It is a pleasure to join you at the Boeing with Beyond with Boeing program. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to US Bangla Airlines on successfully completing 12 years of excellence. From a domestic airline, it has grown into one of Bangladesh's leading international carrier, safety and quality service. I thank US Bangla. Under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Tariq Rahman, the government is working to make Bangladesh a regional aviation hub, where we are working together. We are preparing an aviation master plan and establishing a pilot training academy, which earlier he explained, in Bogura to support our industry's future. With the third terminal, Hazrat Shah Jalan International Airport will be able to serve up to 24 million passengers each year. US Bangla Airlines addition of 21 new Boeing aircraft is an important step to meet this growing demand. Subsequently, Biman Bangladesh Airlines is also adding 14 new Boeing aircraft, which will improve our aviation sector and improve travel for passengers at home and abroad. Today's partnership with Boeing shows the confidence of global partners in Bangladesh, which my friend, Honorable Advisor to the Prime Minister, has explained very nicely. It is also develops the friendship and economic cooperation between Bangladesh and the United States. I wish the US Bangla Airlines and Boeing every success. Together, let us build a stronger aviation sector that connects Bangladesh with the world. Again, I thank Mr. Mamoon to arrange this ceremony and connect with Boeing and connect with the aviation hub. And from our side, from the government side, we will definitely, by the inspiration of our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Tariq Rahman, we are with the private sectors. This is my few words to you all, and I thank the Biman Managing Director and his team also who are present. With these few words, I want to conclude my speech. Thank you very much and have a good day.